I'm a single shooter today. Ryan is doing a couple video clips, as you can see over here. We pretty much just kind of walked around and grabbed a few photos with the Sigma 135. As you can see, there is literally no background when you shoot with this thing wide open or near wide open, which I actually really enjoy. And we pretty much just stuck to any area with shade. Any open shade, we did some photos there. It's the middle of the day, it's very low cloud today. So it's a little bit sunny, as you can see in the background here. But the dynamic range actually held together pretty well, even though that is kind of the bright sun in the background there. You might notice that I take a lot of photos really fast all the time, and that is because we definitely used it as much as we possibly could. And it was the probably fastest photo booth, I would say, of any couple.